We are here at the Helios Grand Hotel, one of Universal's newest hotels. This is a standard 2-queen room, and it's not a park view room. Now, as we go through the room, you should pay attention to the gold accents throughout it, because this is a nod to Helios, the sun god. Here's the closet. You've got your ironing board and iron, some extra blankets if you need them. And then there's a safe. And there is a nice mirror, full-length mirror right over here. You can see those gold accents that we see on the lamp. And then gold all around the mirror. And as we enter, here's the bathroom. Got a nice little rug down there. And these are the soaps. Julian Farrell and a shower cap. We've got some hand and body cream. And then here is the bathroom, the toilet, and the shower all together in one room. We've got these nice blue tiles and a sliding door. So this one is not a tub, it is a standing shower. And then we've got our hand and body wash, the vitamin conditioner, and the vitamin shampoo. Okay, now let's go look out to the rest of the area. Got 2 queen beds. This is a standard queen bedroom, and it does not have a park view. And then we've got this nice headboard that was made by an artist. And then we have a tablet here. Talks about the hotel and the theme park, resources. And then we have these for charging, some plugs. And then we've got the mini fridge is in here. Right in there. And you've got your coffee maker, and the TV, some water, nice bucket, drawers, really deep drawers. And then a place to sit and work or eat. And then we've got some art of phases of the moon. And then we've got a nice chair in the corner with another table. And here is a view. You can see the parking garage, but you can actually see the Wizarding World just a little bit over here. So even though I don't have a full-on park view, I'm in a corner room, and so I can actually see into the Ministry of Magic. And then you can see the lake back there. That's where they're probably going to set off fireworks. So that's the room. This room I paid $360 a night. It would have been $400 something if I'd gone with a park room, a park view room. So what do you think? We'll check out the rest of the hotel too later on.